Friday.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, can you come give me a push?
Okay.
I'll
Right.
fall.
Whoa.
See, I swear to God, I'm gonna fall.
Okay. All right. You ready?
9 years old and I'm about to die.
All right. I don't think so. All right. Well, I know you're 9, but I don't think you're
We
about
watched a video today in music class, and I think that I'm gonna die like that girl Olivia, 2005 to 2012.
to. No, I don't think so. All right. Put your feet on. You ready?
Yeah. Ready? Set. Go. Go, go, go. Ah!
Whoa! You all right?
Yeah, let's try that one more time.
Hey, come on.
No, stop the video. It's fine.
Huh?
You don't have to stop the video.
I'm not.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. All right. You tell me when you're ready.
Oh God.
Uh-oh. You okay?
Okay, yeah, go.
All right. Here we go.
Got the raise this time.
Okay. Ready? Blast off.
Blast off!
Nice.
I did it! I didn't beat the record, but I did it.
Okay.
Want to go one more time?
Huh? Yeah, you can go again. All right. Tell me when you're ready.
Go. It's fast.
Whoa! You took out the garbage.
I'm a garbage?
No, you took the garbage out.
My foot's stuck.
You all right? Here, let me turn this off. I'll come help you.